everybody, hope that you guys are having an awesome day. So today's video is gonna be a little bit different, and today is gonna be like a video of my followers picking my makeup for today. You guys vote, I do it. If you guys are new to this channel, don't forget to hit that like button and also subscribe down below and leave a comment. So I have my phone here. I said what makeup look I should go for, and most of y'all say the Bratz one, which is pretty challenging. And I also did the James Charles. It's almost like in between, so y'all got this one. Hopefully I master this one. First thing I always do is my primer, which I forgot to put first on my Instagram with the poll. So I chose whether it's the Dr. Brent or the Cover FX. Hopefully you guys can see that. The most votes were the Cover FX, so I'm going to be choosing that as well. I have my tape because I have to, because that's where I have to do my stuff. And I always start with my brows first. Where is here, Cover FX. And then I'm just gonna apply that. Some people think it's weird if I put it on my eyes, but I think it works okay. I got this from BoxyCharm and I haven't used it since then. I'm just applying that right here. So you guys chose, I put the brows for the NYX and the brow pomade, and y'all chose the Anastasia one here. This one is in the color medium brown. I got my brushes right here. So the first thing I do, I brush my brows first to get that definition. Like brush it out with this brush from Beach Cosmetics. I'm just going around it to line up my brows. I go a little bit because I don't want to put all the way too much going on. So for the concealer, you guys chose Tarte concealer compared to the Maybelline one, which I understand. So I'll be using that today. Right here, this one is in the color light medium. I'll be using this brush right here from BH for Tarte concealer because your girl loves these.
I'm gonna buy two, like for light, like very light for cut creases, and then just for original.
Okay guys, so I'm done with my brows. I did like my base for my concealer a little bit. I don't do my foundation first. I always stick with the eyes and the brows first, then everything is last, and that's how I do it. You guys chose between the Morphe 35B to the Carnival palette. So I got the 35B right here. And copying this look and go from there. I'm gonna use the Tarte for my base that you guys voted for. I should have used a lighter shade and just use this little spoon thing to mix it. I'm gonna use this palette. I think the Eco Tools brush, this color right here. Like very lightly though. Wish I could have done this video earlier, but I didn't have time because I've been working with elderly people. Someday I'll get a camera, guys. But right now, it's just I'm doing whatever I have right now. If you guys don't see in the camera, I'm gonna take after pictures as well. It looks like that. Brush. And start my crease. You guys still said this one, so I'm doing this one. I'm gonna be using this brush right here where it's like a kind of like a blending brush going on right here. It's like a lilac. And I'm just gonna put that with the blending brush as well. Like the same purple that I did last time, and then just attach it to this one right here. I'm just gonna let it dry for a second, just like that one. I use this one again in the middle, so that's what I'm gonna be doing. That's one thing about me, I like anything purple and anything blue because those are my favorites. I just want to have like that high definition color going on. Brush for blending. This is from Morphe. So I'm going to start with the white base for the concealer, and then I'll go with the purple. I'm gonna attach that white here. The next one, which you guys recommended, I'm just gonna do a dark one because I want to dry my cut crease a little bit because it's kind of wet. So I'm gonna use this while my cut crease is like drying out a little bit. So I'm gonna go back to that lilac color, which is this one. Back to this color right here. This is like a little brush right here for that shape.
I don't use this much of this palette because it's out of stock or like limited edition from Morphe. Color.
Add this white color right here on my underbrow brush. I'm gonna be using that pink, that Barbie pink, just all over here in the lid as well. So add some. But I'm gonna find like a different hot pink for my brows. I'm gonna try. I'll be grabbing the James Charles palettes, and I'm gonna use this just for my brows because oh, so cute. So I'm gonna, this is like a perfect palette because I want to use this for my brows and mix it with the purple. So with this brush. I use the Ardell ones because I'm still learning. Lashes or no lashes, so you guys voted for lashes, so that's what I'm doing. So I did Better Than Sex and Tarte, and you guys chose this one, so that's what I'm going to be using. So this is like the Tarte pencil. I'm gonna apply this Tarte pencil under my waterline. I did my under eyes already. You guys chose the Makeup Revolution compared to the Fit Me one, so I'll go with that. But right here in the color F12, I'm gonna be using this one today. It's kind of dark on my skin. Brush to blend my foundation. So which one is it on your eyes? You guys chose the Maybelline over the under eyes, so I did that one. So I'm done with the under eye. I did my foundation and my concealer. You guys chose the Fit Me, which I got right here. I kind of forgot that, you know, I was cleaning, so I don't want to keep going back and forth with the concealer, so I just brush and just did my eyes. I'm using this one next.
Kabuki brush right here. And just go all over my face.
So with this contouring one, you guys chose the Anastasia Beverly Hills right here. And then I'm just gonna use the lightest shade, which is this one. I'm just gonna go really gentle. Summer. And mix it with Moonstone, and then just go all over like that. Liquid lipstick, because this is like the only pink that I had that's matched the color of the picture. Go back to this and draw the heart. It's like pink, hot pink lipstick, and just putting the heart on my face. I got this lipstick from, I'm just gonna put this like shimmery shade going on. It's a really good shade for a highlight. On in the corners, so that's what I'm trying to do. So I'll be right back and fix my lashes and everything, and yeah. Hey guys, so I'm back. This is what I came up with for the Bratz challenge makeup look. It looks kind of weird, but I tried. I messed up a lot with this lashes. I don't know why, but I feel like this one is not working so well, but you know, I try with this eye look. I did a little bit different with the brows, if you guys can tell, and with the hearts and the lipstick. I hope that you guys enjoy this makeup look. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe in the description, in the red button down below, and leave a comment, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.